In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a line of credit with PenFed Credit Union 2025. Let's walk through the two ways you can set up credit access with PenFed and how to choose the one that fits your needs. First, head to PenFed's website and navigate to their borrowing options. One path is an unsecured personal loan, which functions like a lump sum credit line you can use for things like debt consolidation, home improvements, or covering unexpected expenses. On the page, select the unsecured personal loan option to see details. PenFed highlights that these loans don't require collateral and offer flexible terms, so you can match the repayment timeline to your budget. From there, look for the Check Your Rate tool on the Personal Loans page. This helps you preview potential offers based on the amount you're considering. After that, review the How to Apply section. You'll specify your loan amount and purpose, confirm your details, and follow the on-screen prompts. Before you proceed, open the eligibility requirements and make sure you qualify. At minimum, applicants must be at least 18 years old, and you'll need to meet PenFed's underwriting criteria. If everything looks good, continue to submit your application for a final decision. The second option is an overdraft line of credit tied to a PenFed checking account. This is designed to cover transactions when your balance isn't enough, providing a safety net so payments can still go through. To set it up, log into your PenFed account online and find the enrollment option for overdraft protection or overdraft line of credit. Review the key features on that page. PenFed notes there are no fees to sign up or to use the overdraft protection, which makes this a straightforward, cost-effective backup for your day-to-day banking. A few extra tips to keep you on track. Pre-approval or a preliminary rate check is helpful for planning, but it isn't a final approval. The ultimate decision depends on underwriting, which includes a hard credit inquiry at the end of the process. If your credit or income is borderline, consider applying with a co-borrower. A stronger combined profile can improve approval odds and may help you secure a better rate. And to keep the application moving, have your identification, proof of income, and any other requested financial documents ready to upload. That's it. If you want flexible funds for a specific purpose, the unsecured personal loan may be the better match. If you need transaction backup for your checking account, enroll in the overdraft line of credit, follow the on-screen steps, confirm eligibility, and submit your application with confidence.